Obadiah Barlow, in the late 1600s, developed this knife, known as the Barlow Knife. Do you have one in a drawer at home? Or maybe even in your pocket? This is one of the most mass-produced forms of knife in the history of the world. It has had a very long run. You can still buy new manufactured Barlow-style knives today. It's a very common sense knife. It has heavy-duty handle and bolsters, typically with two blades in two sizes. I have two examples, and this one actually says Barlow on it. Well, I'll get that where you can see it. There you go. Barlow. This one does not. It just has a vendor's cartouche on it. There are lots of varieties of them, but they're very similar in the way they look and in their construction. There'll be different pin configurations for the handles, depending on the manufacturer. These ones have 2 pins. Some have 3. I'm trying to make the case that these knives were used in the American fur trade. I've gone through manifests recently trying to find a named Barlow knife. I find folding knives. Years ago, I was going through manifests. I do that periodically, just for documentation purposes of gear and accoutrements. And I remember coming across one, and it specifically named a Barlow knife. And I've been looking for that list, and I haven't found it. Let me know in the comments if you have a list that names the Barlow knife associated with a fur trading company or men in the field. Because this is a great knife to carry in your saddlebags, in your haversack. You know, you got your big butcher knife, your proper get after it big knife. But boy, for small work, this knife. Also, I ran across one reference in AI when I was researching pen knives, and it classified the Barlow as a pen knife. Maybe not. Let me know what you think. I really like to justify this knife. It's something that we can use. Again, let's talk about it in the comments. I'm William Bailey with Bill's Historical West, and I have another video specifically about the pen knife, and I encourage you to have a look at that. It's an interesting knife too. For now, watch your back trail.